Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add hat to our Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application and I'm going to go to my avatar and then we're going to add hat to our avatar. Here you can go to the accessories and then you can choose hat accessories. Okay, and here we'll be able to get a lot of hats for our avatar. And for me, I'm just going to choose the free hat. So I'm going to filter it free. We can go to this icon and then I'm going to choose price range and make it 0 for the minimum and maximum and click on apply. Alright, and just hold on. Okay, and for me guys, I'm going to choose this one. Alright. Okay, and as you can see that this hat has been applied to my Roblox avatar. Okay, and to wear the hat, you can go to the customize here. Don't forget to go to the customize and then I'm just going to wear this hat only. Okay, and this is the final look. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add hat to our Roblox avatar. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.